All right, New Englanders. It is finally New Hampshire vacation week, so let's take a look at what we could expect for the forecast. Taking a look at temperatures in AG2 Trader for the entire Northeast. Today is cold, today the 22nd, but we are about to get a serious warm up on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And when I say warm up for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we're talking lows maybe not getting below freezing in some places. How wild is that? It has been weeks, like weeks, and highs, and maybe even reaching 50 in some southern locations, but definitely seeing 40s at least through northern locations. Looking at the forecast discussion from the Gray Main office, temperatures will be largely unchanged or even a bit warmer today. Winds not super gusty. It is actually pretty nice out here today. Couple flurries possible. So otherwise the pattern will remain active with other systems passing through the area Tuesday and again on Thursday. The long-term discussion up here talks about how we're going to see temperatures moving into the 40s, and how with the storm systems that are coming through, they're probably going to be snow for northern locations and rain for southern. And north and south is going to be like dividing New Hampshire in half. So a little something coming through Monday night, a little something coming through on Tuesday night. Thursdays is going to be more substantial. Also talking about in this paragraph here, this last third one, about how there may be even a chance for something even more substantial coming through for the following weekend, but models all over the place with that. But if everything can line up, including the jet stream, that's kind of the big key, and you guys know that. So let's place through where that jet stream is going to be for the next 2 weeks. We have a lot of northwesterly, like everything's coming from the northwest. See a big dip here for that Thursday, but generally a lot of stuff coming from the northwest. The correlating GFS forecast with that shows just a couple little things that are moving through one by one. Here we go. It's kind of a rinse and repeat. The next 72 hours, according to the graph model, you can see right here, and we see a lot of upslope snow showers happening on Sunday. That should be kind of nice. Things clear out for Monday. You can see the date and the times right here. Starting to see Monday, little something move through, Tuesday, little something. For almost all of those, we are looking at a likelihood of more snow for northern locations. So if you were looking at just New Hampshire, if you're like Lakes region, it's going to be a dividing line. If you're north there, you're probably going to see snow. If you're south of there, it's probably going to be rain for a lot of these. So then let's play through longer term, zooming in a little bit more on the GFS forecast. You could just see these. This is the active period. This is just these constant little chances that we're seeing here over and over again. We're paused at Wednesday. Now we're going to see what comes through on Thursday. Maybe some icing potential too. The models are hinting at with what comes through on Thursday. That's going to be the most substantial one of the week. And then maybe a little something that comes through this weekend if it can get its act together. So if you are going to be in New Hampshire for this upcoming vacation week, which is like February 24th through 28th-ish, somewhere around there, it should be warm with lots of chances of precipitation, snow further north, more rain to the south. So not great if you are in southern locations because there's a lot of this white stuff and the rain's going to absorb right into that. And as if this isn't icy and thick enough and hard enough to walk in already, well, it's just going to make it even more so. Have a great vacation week. I can't wait to hear what you guys are all doing. I'm going to be embedding myself in the snow for a good solid 5 days up in northern locations, thankfully, so hopefully I don't have to deal with too much rain.